Alright, so here's how to delete cookies on Google Chrome. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the three dots on the right upper side, click on that, and simply go with the settings option. After that, you need to go with the privacy and security option on the left, and then scroll it down and go with the third-party cookies. Go with that, and then scroll it down until you find this option, see all site data and permission. You need to go with this option, and there you have it. So there, as in this section, you will find out what cookies you have accepted. All right, so as you can see, there are lots of cookies accepted right over here. So if we go and want to check which permission have you given to these cookies, so if I just go with this one, simply tap on this, and then as you can see, I have not given the location permission, camera, microphone, and this permission has been blocked, but this permission has been allowed and this permission is also blocked. So you can check out which permission have you given to these cookies. All right, so after watching all of these, if you want to delete all the cookies at once, you can simply do it from here. So you can simply tap on the delete button and simply go with the delete. All the cookies stored here will be deleted at once. All right, like that. So that's how you can delete cookies on Google Chrome. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.